Good afternoon. Today is the 18th of February 2021. Welcome to my channel. So nice to see you again. We are continuing with this beautiful spring picture. Remember? Since I cannot see the camera, I hope I can show it to you. How are you today? Doing okay? I pray that you are not in the snow without electricity and heat. I pray that you are all well, safe and sound. Spring is coming, and I think it's a perfect time to paint with these beautiful colors when it's such a dark day. However, today the sun is shining over here. It's plus 11 degrees centigrade, which is a miracle. Could I ask you to please hit the like button and the subscribe button? I thank you so much. We are on this star symbol. This is the tree part, over here. We're doing this part right now. This is not upside down for a change. It's upside down for you, but not for me. But, as usual, we will turn it around. This is a very large, well, not very large, but a large canvas. It's hanging over my desk. Much larger than the one we did before. I still had no delivery. Can I say I am a little bit upset? Just a little. However, I know that it will get here. It's just that, when you always have to order everything and you have to wait for everything, it's such a bother. Now let me see, since something is shining in this camera and I cannot see what I am doing because I'm sitting right in front of the window. Hang on. I have no idea if that helped the situation. The point is, I had an email saying that the packages are in this country. So I cannot say that it's being held up because of the Chinese New Year, because they shipped it. And I swear, between you and I, just between the two of us, and a few other 1,000 people watching, I swear they're playing with my canvas and the customs. They might be bored, There is no explanation as to why it is not here. All I'm being told is I should stay calm. My package is on its way. At that point, I asked, on its way to where? Just out of, slight curiosity, where is my package traveling to? Because it's not traveling to me. I mean, this is a very small country. Doesn't take a month, even if it came, on foot. It doesn't take a month to walk from the capital to my house. I could probably walk in half a day. but I know I must be patient, so I am patient. Until then, we have this absolutely fantastic canvas to work on. Look at these colors. I do hope you can see it. I have a good mind to smash a camera. No, 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 we can't do that. Let's behave. Because first the light was shining in from the window. Now the light is shining on from the light on the desk. This is a no-win situation. Maybe I should not have cleaned the lens. Oh well, I'm going to leave it alone now because I'm going to make you seasick without the moving of the silly camera I am doing. We will check the video when I am finished and see if I can use it or discard it as usual. So I really wanted you to see these colors. These are absolutely much better than what I expected. This is what I mean when I order a canvas. It is always a surprise when I get it, how absolutely beautiful it is. Because, you know, on the picture, even on this picture, it doesn't really show the colors that are over here. Sure, it looks nice and it's about the same color, but let me tell you, looking at it in real life, it did cheer me up today. I thought they would be rather muted colors, you know, like the Tihanya Apachak we were doing before this. But oh, these colors are vibrant. Truly perked my day up. I am so happy. Yes, diamond painting can make me happy. I have a lavender scented candle burning. It is burning in water, so I am not burning the house down. Don't worry. And I put some, what do you call it? Any orange nutmeg. Is that what you call it? Cloves. Stuck it in the orange. Put it on the radiator. So all these kind of delicious smells, fragrances. I learned that smells mean something bad. So fragrances and scents are in the house. We sealed a canvas yesterday. I think even my mouth was in slow motion from what I heard back. But anyway, it was a new kind of Elmer's glue, a clear glue with no chemicals in it. Anyway, it had no chemical smell, and it's completely child and environmental friendly. And I was worried that it wasn't going to be strong enough as a sealer, but it looks like it worked just fine. Well, of course, you know, it has not been framed yet. I usually give it at least 3 days, even though it feels dry and doesn't feel sticky anymore, but just to be on the safe side, because it is canvas and I did saturate it real well. I want to make sure that it's completely dried. And why am I playing around with the tweezers? Could you tell me that? Yes. I know you're screaming and yelling on the other side. Get your pen, stop playing with the tweezers. But I saw on YouTube where people were putting drills down with only tweezers. And I thought, that looks neat. So I thought I'd give it a try. But I'm being clumsy at it. I suppose with practice we could learn this also. I could understand the positive aspects of it. You don't have to put wax on it. And you can straighten out the drills as if they're needed, but we don't worry about that because we do have a straightener. And we're going to straighten out these lines nice and neat. We do not make problems with our craft. We enjoy it. Especially, oh, these colors. Oh, now I'm going to see what this W is. Anyway, we're finished with this. We're finished with the star. Now we're going to see what color this W symbol is. I am dying to. I think it might be a dusty rose color. Oh, these are stuck. Why not? Please come out of there. Don't be stubborn. Thank you. Okay. Let's put this away. Let's find a W. W, where are you? I know you're here. I don't even know exactly what color that's going to be. W. W is a brown. W is a brown? No. No, it isn't. Yes, it is. I'm disappointed. Actually, it's a beautiful color. This canvas and these drills are full of surprises. I'm telling you. Absolutely fantastic. Now I have to be careful because there's a symbol W here, and then there's a W or an M going sideways, and they do look rather familiar. So, oh, I missed some stars over there. I knew it. It always happens. You know, yakety yak over here, and then I missed the symbols. But never mind, we will take care of it. Okay, this is the symbol W, and right next to it is a symbol that goes that way. I guess you could call it a sideways W or an M. So I have to give it attention. Those are W's over there, symbols. And the ledger is on the other side, but these drills are marked very well. They came with the inventory sheet, so I did not have to make separate stickers. Just put the inventory sheet in the machine, you know, that we make labels with. You remember we did that, and we're going to do that with the new kit when we kit up the new kit. Excuse me, I can't see. Could you come this way? Yes. This company sent a clear tray, clear boat, and I don't know, the girls on YouTube said, oh, it's so fantastic, so I thought I'd try out the fantastic new boat, and I don't know. Maybe I have to get used to these things. Okay, there's another star symbol over there, and I see a W over here. Yeah, sometimes we have to fish around and do a little confetti work. There isn't actually that much confetti on this. I have seen worse. Okay, that's another sideways M. Okay, I don't think we have any. Yeah, we have a couple more over there. Okay, let's get these filled in. Usually I do this off camera because I don't want to bore you. And this one is upside down. Use your tweezers, yes, since you don't have the nails. Okay, now it's the right way. Yeah, sometimes I talk to myself, I talk to the drills. I like talking with you. I watch a lot of YouTube diamond painters. I work along while I listen to them, watch their whip and chat. Actually, it makes diamond painting go faster. Not that I'm in any hurry. I really don't see why we should hurry. We should enjoy every moment of it, when we get a nice one. And since I don't have about 20 of them waiting to be done, so we really did catch up quite a bit of the stash during the winter and the Christmas diamond paintings that we had. So I'm all set now to go full power on the spring ones, and looking forward to Easter with the bunny and the chicken and the flowers and all of that stuff. I was rather disappointed that for Valentine's Day didn't come up with anything. Anyway, I didn't see any. If they did come out with diamond paintings, then I really miss them. But I will keep an eye out to see if they're going to have sale, And if I did miss it, then I can pick it up at very good price. I know I ordered another diamond painting besides the one that's coming with a slow boat from China. And I got it for half the price. Now, this is a new company I ordered from, so I cannot tell you whether how I will feel about it, but we are going to unbox it together, and we will both make up our minds as to whether how did this new company live up to its to its advertisements. And believe me, I will tell you exactly the way things are, because I am not affiliated with any of the companies. And even if I was, then I would say, no, I am not doing your review for you because I think your product is junk. And I will say exactly that. I don't think we're getting anything for free from these companies. They may give you a reduced price or something like that, but I'm sure there are some bigger creators that do get free items, but I'm a little channel yet. I'm a little newbie. And I don't think I want to have controls and rules and everything else. I want my crafts to be enjoyable, and I want you to see what it is like when you are learning to do a craft, that it's okay. It's okay if it's not perfect. It's okay to make mistakes. You got to enjoy your craft. I see some people, even with the crafts, they are so uptight. I think it comes from a very judgmental environment or society, don't you think? That even their crafts they are not able to enjoy because they think that they must meet some I don't know, some sort of craft police or I don't know. I know I grew up in a very strict, old-fashioned Eastern European household. And believe me, when I was learning to, even to sew on a button or something like that, many times, my grandmother or my mother would rip it out and tell me to do it over again. It's not good, it's not perfect, It's not completely the way it should, they think it should be. And you know what happened after a while, that I just lost all interest. Actually, they made me hate sewing. And I did do a lot of sewing for my children, you know, when they were babies. And I did basic knitting, very basic. You know, when you have it written down line by line, that's how I can do it. I mean, it's next to impossible to read a pattern for me. But then I learned not to be so critical of myself, accept myself, and then what happened was that I could produce things that were absolutely marvelous. And I was surprised at myself when I stopped being so critical. You know the saying where they say you're your worst enemy? Well, I think that's what happened with me. And that really held me back from developing my talent. And then as the time went by, I discovered that, yes, I do have talent. May not be like somebody else's, may not be perfect, but it is not going into the museum. It is going on my wall, and I am the one that has to look at it 24/7. And believe me, I am extremely critical, so if I am pleased with it, then it's good. And with this canvas, I am very pleased. Actually, the picture itself, as far as my ability to, we'll see what we can make out of it. Okay, I don't see any more W symbols. I am sure you probably can, but I can't. Yes, I hear you screaming, there. You missed that one. It's okay, we'll take care of it. Don't worry. Now we're going to put the star symbol. We missed a few of them. So we're going to place them now. You see, there's no problem. Absolutely no problem. And I see another star. Where did I see? Yeah, right there. I knew I saw one somewhere. Yes, there we go. Very good. What do you think about these colors on this? Isn't it fantastic? I know you did not see me kit this up because this has been here for before I started the winter projects. And I did not have a channel then when I kitted this up. This is 50 colors. So let me tell you folks, it's going to be colorful. And that's exactly what we want. Oh, what a pretty color. That's a U. Let's see what that one is, huh? Purple. I think you call this purple color, don't you? Is this purple? I would think so. These flowers have all different shades in them. And this is what will make it look absolutely stunning when it's finished. So it is not saturated with one single hue of a color, but all different colors. And I think if you look at the flowers in nature, I named these apple blossoms because when I saw this picture, it sort of reminded me of apple blossoms. Could be cherry blossoms, I don't know. Some kind of blossoms. Now, you don't belong here. There. Let's try to keep in order, kids. That's a symbol U. I use a little spoon to put the drills out because when they're so full, these containers, I have a tendency to dump them. So a little spoon, they used to give these with the ice creams, comes in handy when your containers are this full. I like to put all the drills out in containers. I don't want some in the packages, some in the containers, you know. And then this way I like to see what I have and what I don't have. But, okay, now I've been having this problem that they don't want to flip over. Now that's a symbol U right there and over there. Oh, let me tell you folks, these colors are fantastic. I keep on saying fantastic and beautiful, but they are. I don't know, what am I supposed to say? Okay, I see another U right there. Is that all? What's over here? Let's see. Okay, I don't see any of that symbol there. This is a 4. That's a 5. Okay, and this is 4, and this is 5. Okay. I opened the window and already something bit me. It's too soon for the little things to be flying around yet. It's not spring yet. Although it is the middle of February, so the Mother Nature is a little bit mixed up. I think this is supposed to be a pink. Oh, how pretty, baby pink. I'm telling you, you right away you cheer up when you see these colors. Anyway, it helps me cheer up. And look at the beautiful canvas we are making for me, who can't even draw a straight line. You know, to have something this beautiful come out from under my hands, I think it's a miracle. See, again, they don't want to flip over. I don't know. I'm going to have a serious talk with these drills. You know, they are not cooperating. I mean, must I have a talk with every single canvas? I mean, people might think I'm going nuts. I mean, we're spending so much time in our house, no wonder we're going a little bit, you know. Good thing hubby can go to work, because just imagine if he would be home too. Oop. Yep, that's what happens. Come on, flip over. Be good kids. You know what I do if they don't want to flip over? I just dump them out over here on the paper, and then they usually flip over. I wonder if they have static or something like that. Is that why they don't want to flip over? Or they just feel like it? Okay, I think that's all the pink for now. These are number 4s. I don't see pink over here. Okay, let's get this out of here. I did clean out these trays and everything, thinking they might be static, but I don't know. Okay, these are M. Now this 5 looks like a very interesting color. Number 4, this is number 4 that I labeled the wrong way. I put the label on the bottom of it, you know, instead of on the side. Okay, this is symbol 4. This is another one of the flowers over here. I'm sorry, I moved the camera together with the drill. Why do I get this feeling that you can't see anything that I'm doing? Because I'm right under the camera. Oh, come on, guys. Okay, this is what we do when they don't want to behave. Yes, one way or the other, we'll get this over here. The canvas where it's supposed to go. And this is a symbol 4. Flip over. Come on. There we go. And another symbol 4. I'm telling you, sometime. Okay, and we have 1, 2, symbol 4 over here. So we need 2 more drills. Now these containers are good because I only have 1 or 2 to take out. I'll just reach in the container and take it out from there. Of course it doesn't want to flip over. Why would it? That would be simple. Now symbol 4, dear. Oh, there we go. And 1 more. I know I saw it. There. Crooked. Straighten out. Good. Okay, and there's 1 more. Symbol 4. There. And those are symbol 5. The other ones. Symbol 5. Where are you? I know I saw you. 5. 5 is definitely purple. I would definitely call this purple, right? Finally, I know the name of one of the color, right? Okay, here we go. Fantastic. There's no more 5 here. Okay, I saw 5 up here. And I saw another 5, symbol 5, over here. And up here. That's a symbol U. No, it isn't. Okay, you move over there. Thank you. Okay. Come on. And another one there. Okay. Okay, good. So actually we started another flower. I guess, where would this be? I think over here. We got this one and this one. This one is up further. I don't know where this one is. Anyway, we'll get there. And there should be a white flower down here. Right here. Right here is that one. Is this one over here under the paper. I'm so excited. I want to get to all the flowers and the blue sky. And oh, it's so beautiful. So, and another purple is over here. Let's see if we can find a purple one. Since we dumped it out, let's see if we can find a place for it. How did I miss this? There we go. So, I thank you very much for spending some time with me this afternoon. I will see you again tomorrow afternoon. And we're going to make more flowers. And then on the top, we'll get to the little birdies. Goodbye for now. Please hit the like and the subscribe button. Please. Stay safe, stay warm, stay happy. Bye. See you tomorrow.